So I was down in the dungeon with Andy tonight. We were talking about different ways to use lights that we already have. And we thought, hey, let's try to use these right here, these Ultra Bar 12s, in a similar way that we used the sweeper beams last week. Let's mount them vertically on a speaker stand. With the Ultra Bars, you know you can hook them together magnetically, and that's a really cool feature. But you also get brackets with these. So we took the brackets and we put some O-clamps on them. Then we mounted the brackets to the Ultra Bars. Then next we went ahead and took a set of speaker stands and we took the top O-clamp and mounted it to the speaker stand. On the bottom we ran into a problem because this O-clamp just wasn't going to fit. They don't really make a clamp the size of the bar on the speaker stand. So we decided to go ahead and use a zip tie. Now yes, we're using fluorescent yellow. I wouldn't recommend that at a gig, but we used that color so you can see exactly how we did it. Now once you have your Ultra Bars mounted on stands, go ahead and plug them in. Run a DMX cable from your first one to your second one. Now your first one, leave it alone, but on your second one, definitely assign that to slaves so they're both doing the same thing. We can take it a step further and use this cool ADJ RFC remote. You can do a lot with it without running DMX, like a full controller or anything like that. You can use all the internal programs. Here, check it out. Now as you can see right here on the readout, we're in auto mode right now, but let's say we wanted to select a cool program. Now if you hit the program button one time, you're going to go into color mode. And using your up and down keys, you can switch through some color macros. And maybe you want to do that. But let's say that you want to do a cool auto program kind of thing, like a chase. Hit your program button a second time and you get PR.1. So there's your first program. Using the up and down keys, plus and minus, you can flip through the programs and find one you like. Let's find something kind of cool. That's kind of neat, but it's kind of slow. Let's say I wanted to speed it up. I hit this speed button. We're at 80 right now. Let's go ahead and turn up the speed on this. Well, look at that. It's going a lot faster. We're at 99. There's one, and it's incredibly slow. Let's go ahead and put it at, I don't know, 93. Now, let's say we want to adjust that fade. We hit the flash button one time, two times, we're in fade. Right now it's fade 0. But I can crank this up. We can get a really cool fade. Look at that. That'd be real nice for slow dances. Or anytime you want to create kind of a nice mellow ambience. Now if you wanted to strobe, check this out. You go to this flash. One time on the flash button. It's at 0. Let's go 1. That's a very slow flash. Crank it up. Wherever we want it, we can get a strobe. We don't have to use that at all. We can zero it out. There's all kinds of things you can do with this remote. Here, check this out. So what did you think of that? Okay, how about you, Andy? What did you think of that?
I liked it.
It's pretty cool, huh?
It was pretty cool.
Something different.
It was. I mean, another way to use a already useful light.
So there you have it. Another cool way to use your Ultra Bars. If you have any questions, let us know down here in the comments section. Practice and enjoy.